Hi friends, today I am going to make a homemade mango jam. Usually store-bought jams are made with addition of preservatives, color and a thickening agent called pectin. Usually this pectin gives the jam the spreadable consistency. Here I am using apple which has a high amount of pectin which helps the jam to set. So in this recipe you should use apple with skin. The ingredients used are 1 kg mango, 1 lemon, 1 apple, 1½ cup sugar. Puree the mango in a mixer grinder and do not add extra water. Now puree the apple in a blender with the skin and also squeeze juice from 1 lemon. And now our 4 ingredients are ready. That is apple puree, mango puree, lemon juice and 1½ cup of sugar. In a wide pan, add the apple puree. On medium heat, cook it for 1 minute. Then add mango puree. On medium heat, let it cook and stir continuously. Once it starts to bubble, add sugar and stir continuously. Now add lime juice. Mix well and keep stirring continuously to avoid burning. After 20 minutes, the jam will start to thicken. Keep stirring and switch off the flame once it's thickened. And once it's cool, store it in an airtight glass jar and refrigerate.
Thank you and please subscribe.